Fruit carving is a delightful culinary art form that brings an extra flair to any dish or display. For beginners, embarking on this creative journey can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Here are some simple DIY fruit carving ideas to get you started. Imagine setting a table with a centerpiece of intricately carved fruits, a swirl of vibrant colors and playful shapes that tempt the senses. Indeed, fruit carving can elevate any dining experience or festive occasion. Here, we introduce you to three basic fruit carving ideas that are perfect for beginners. 1. Melon baskets. Start with a ripe watermelon or cantaloupe. Using a sharp paring knife, draw an outline to form the handle of a basket directly in the skin. Carefully cut the outline and scoop out the flesh, leaving some as a liner for the basket's form. The flesh can then be cut into cubes or balls using a melon baller and returned into the basket, perhaps with a mix of other fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and mint leaves to add a pop of color. 2. Fruit flower. Take an apple or an orange. For the apple, peel the skin in a spiral movement to create a long strip. Roll the strip tightly to form a rose-like shape. To make orange flowers, slice the orange into even, thin rounds, stack them slightly offset to create a blooming effect, and place them upon desserts or as part of a salad for a dynamic look. 3. Kiwi stars and hearts. With kiwis, peeling can be tricky, but once you gently slide off the skin, use small cookie cutters in shapes of stars or hearts to press into slices and create appealing shapes. These little cuts can do wonders as garnishes or elegant accents on fruit platters.